Meet TCN Snack and Drink Vending Machine. Designed with a solid building and sleek appearance. Perfect for offices, schools, gyms, or any busy corner. It comes with an age verification system, making it possible to safely sell items like cigarettes or alcohol. Inside, you'll find 6 layers with 10 slots on each layer, and each slot can be customized to match your products. There's even extra storage space built into the cabinet, so restocking and maintenance are much easier. The intelligent cooling system automatically adjusts between 2 Celsius and 25 Celsius, keeping every drink and snack at the ideal temperature. And the 5-inch display with a metal keypad makes buying quick and easy. It supports cash, coins, and card payments. The pickup door features an anti-theft design, so every transaction is safe and worry-free, smart, reliable, and ready to serve. That's TCN.